Hey there, fellow explorers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are about to embark on an incredible journey into the microscopic realm of cells. Get ready to witness the hidden wonders of cell, a complete world. I'm your host, Muhammad Essam, and I can't wait to dive into this captivating topic. So, without further ado, let's begin our expedition. The human body is a complex masterpiece, composed of trillions of microscopic building blocks called cells. Each cell is like a tiny universe, bustling with activity and playing a crucial role in our overall health and well-being. Today, we will unveil the mysteries of the cell and discover just how fascinating and intricate this microscopic world truly is. To understand the cell, we first need to journey inside one. Buckle up as we shrink down to a size smaller than a pinhead and enter the realm of the cell. Welcome to our immersive 3D representation of a cell. At first glance, it may appear chaotic, but every component of this tiny world has a specific purpose. We'll start by exploring the cell membrane, the outer boundary that acts as the cell's gatekeeper, controlling what goes in and out. As we step inside, we encounter the bustling cytoplasm, a jelly-like substance that fills the cell. Within this cytoplasm, we find various organelles, each with its unique role in keeping the cell alive and functioning. Look closely. See those bean-shaped structures? Those are mitochondria, often called the powerhouses of the cell. They generate energy to fuel the cell's activities, just like tiny batteries. Over here, we have the endoplasmic reticulum, a network of tubes and sacs responsible for manufacturing and transporting proteins, the building blocks of life. And don't forget about the Golgi apparatus. It's like a cellular post office, packaging and sorting proteins before sending them off to their respective destinations. Oh, and check out these tiny green structures floating around. Those are chloroplasts, found only in plant cells. They use sunlight to produce energy through photosynthesis, sustaining life on our planet. Now, let's make our way to the center of the cell, where we find the nucleus. Enclosed within the nucleus are the chromosomes, which carry our genetic information in the form of DNA. It's like the cell's command center, orchestrating all the activities and ensuring everything runs smoothly. Can you believe that all the information needed to create and sustain life is packed within these tiny strands? Truly mind-boggling, but wait, there's more. Cells also have a recycling system called lysosomes, which break down waste materials and keep the cell clean. And let's not forget the cytoskeleton, a network of protein fibers that provide structure, shape, and mobility to the cell. So, you see, a cell is not just a simple blob. It's an intricate and organized world, with various components working harmoniously to ensure the cell's survival.
Wow, that was an amazing journey through the vibrant and intricate world of cells. It's incredible how such a tiny unit can play such a vital role in our existence. Remember, this is just a glimpse into the wonders.